Hey everyone, Arley here. Today we're going to dive into 5 powerful PostgreSQL capabilities that every developer should know. As you know, PostgreSQL has become one of the most used databases in the world, not just because it's free, but also because it can handle a huge amount of data. And of course, all these capabilities like Oracle and SQL Server, they also, they are included here in Postgres, and you can use a lot of these capabilities that you can do basically the same thing that all these big databases can do. And of course, a lot of companies are using this database, and it's very important for you as a developer to understand how to use this. And I'm pretty sure that these capabilities are very juicy. You need to know this because it will make a difference in your projects, make a difference in your daily life as a developer, and so on. So let's get started here. So the first capability that we're going to dive in today is the JSONB column type. So as you know, in NoSQL databases, you store the JSON inside your table. For example, you store the object, for example, a customer object. So you store the JSON, for example. So here in Postgres, you can use a column type called JSONB. It's the type of the column that allows you to store a JSON inside the column. And how it works. So when you store the data, actually the JSONB stands for JSON binary. Okay, so the binary means that you are storing as a binary in your database, and this feature allows you to search inside your table. For example, if you have a table with an ID in a column, for example, called customer object, and inside the customer object is a JSON. So if the JSON has, for example, a key called name, for example, the name of the customer, you can definitely create queries, SQL queries to select data from this column. Inside the column, for example, everyone that has a specific name, for example, and other keys like other attributes of your JSON. So that's the first one. And the next capability that we're going to explore today is the explain command. I'm pretty sure that you already faced some queries that it seems like to take forever to finish, and you kind of got desperate about how can I fix that. So there is the explain command in Postgres, and this explain command allows you to trace your query. For example, if you have a select and select all from customers, for example, you can just type the explain command before the select and then run the entire query. It will show you the query plan, which means that all the sub tables, every index or full table scan that the query is doing to retrieve all the rows you need, they are going to show you, in this output. So the explain is it's a very important one, and here in the channel already has a video that talk about the explain command. And the other feature that you can talk about here is the pgstat activity. What is that? The pgstat activity is a command that you can use to check queries that are running in runtime in your database. So if you have a query that are taking a little bit time to finish, or if your database is a little bit slow, you can run this command, and this command will show you all the queries that are running in the database at the time. So you can see, for example, how much time that query takes to finish, and with that you can check, you can report to the developer team, or even if you're the developer, of course, you can check the query that you are running and see if you can improve it. So the next capability here is the capability of use extension. So you have the pgcrypt, for example, and a lot of others extensions. So it's a way that Postgres allows you to install some kind of extensions, or as you can say, like something like a library or a dependency that you can allow in your database, and you can use these features to do that. For example, you have an extension that allows you to work with crypt, or encryption, and you have also, for example, another one to work with UUID. For example, to create that hash as an ID in your column, and you have a lot of extensions that you can use. And the last one, it's not exactly a capability, but is a tool that allows you to monitor your entire database, which is the pgAdmin. So the pgAdmin, it's basically the software that visual the visual software that allows you to create tables, manage your databases, manage tables that are provided by the Postgres itself. So you can use it to check the dashboards. You can check a lot of important information using this tool. So let me know in the comments if you already knew any one of these capabilities in Postgres, and subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to post a lot of videos about these important topics and a lot of new content, for example, in Postgres, in Flutter, and especially in Java, because that's my specialty. As I mentioned before, I am a software engineer with a specialization in Java. I'm also a Oracle certified, so basically Java is my thing. So subscribe to my channel and see you next time.